Solve the inequality. Graph the solution set and write the solution set in interval notation. Here's the inequality we're asked to solve. It's a rational inequality. And notice that the right-hand side of the inequality is 0, and that's good. So in order to solve this, we're going to find the values of x that make the numerator 0 and the values of x that make the denominator 0. We get x is 6, or x is -5. We're going to take our real number line and divide it into intervals according to those points. There's 6. There's -5. So we're going to have some intervals to deal with. First we have the interval from -infinity to -5. Then the middle interval, the values on the real number line between the green arrows, is the interval -5, 6. And the interval to the right of the second green arrow is 6 infinity. And we choose a test point in each interval. And we're going to determine if when we put that test point into our rational expression, if that expression is indeed less than 0. So in the first case, if you were to substitute x is equal to -1000 into the expression, you would have a negative over a negative. Is that less than 0? That's false, because we know a negative divided by a negative is positive. Substituting 0 in, we would get a negative number divided by a positive number is less than 0. That's true. And finally, substituting 1000 in the inequality, we get a positive number over a positive number is less than 0. That's false. So our solution is going to be the intervals for which we have evaluated those inequalities to be true. So there's the graph of the interval, and the interval is parenthesis, -5, 6 parenthesis.